In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a card from Apple ID. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, on your home screen. This step is crucial because the Settings app is where you manage all your device preferences, including your Apple ID and payment methods. As you open the app, you will see a list of options related to your device settings. This is the starting point for making changes to your Apple ID. Next, tap your name at the top of the screen. This action takes you directly to your Apple ID settings. It is essential because it allows you to access all the details linked to your account, including personal information and payment methods. Once you tap your name, you will see your Apple ID profile displaying your email, subscriptions, and payment options. This is a secure area where you can manage your account. Now tap on Payment and Shipping. This option is typically located in the middle of the screen. Selecting this will lead you to the section where you can view and manage your payment methods. It is important to navigate here because it gives you an overview of all cards and payment options associated with your Apple ID. Once you are on this screen, you will see a list of your current payment methods. After that, tap Edit in the upper right corner. This button is essential for making any changes to your payment methods. When you tap Edit, the screen will shift to allow you to modify your payment information. It is a straightforward process. You will see red circles appear next to your cards, indicating that you can now remove them. This visual cue makes it clear that you are in the right place to make adjustments. Next, tap the red Delete button next to the card you want to remove. You will see this button next to each payment method displayed. Tapping this button initiates the process of deleting the card from your account. This step is critical because it allows you to remove outdated or unwanted payment options. Once you tap it, the card will be highlighted, indicating that you are about to delete it. Finally, tap Remove to confirm your choice. This final confirmation is necessary to ensure that the card is indeed removed from your account. When you tap Remove, you will likely see a brief message confirming the action. This is a reassurance that your changes are being processed. Remember, Apple requires you to keep at least one payment method on file, so ensure you have another card listed before proceeding with this step. Now that you have removed the card, you can manage your payment methods directly from the Payment and Shipping screen. This feature allows you to add new cards or update your existing payment information easily. Keeping your payment methods updated is important for seamless transactions. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account remains secure and up to date. With that completed, you have successfully deleted a card from your Apple ID. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to revisit this video. Thank you for watching and happy managing.